Good morning, friends. Welcome back. I'm Christine of Side Street Market, and today is just a very short sneaky peek video. Tomorrow I have a drop sale. Now, for those of you who have been following me for a while, you know my drop sales used to be on YouTube, and the video would go live at 8 a.m. Eastern on YouTube. You guys would watch the video, and in the comment section, you would comment which item you wanted, and then you would win it. Well, this year for 2022, just to make my bookkeeping easier, I've switched to my drop sales being on Etsy. So all that happens is it's kind of like before in that the items aren't available until a set time. So what happens is tomorrow at 8 a.m., if you hop on my Etsy shop, I have the link down below. It's Side Street Market if you're searching for the shop on Etsy. You hop on at 8 a.m. Eastern time, and at 8 a.m. Eastern, 20 items are gonna go live. And they're not available until 8 a.m. tomorrow. And then when they go live, they'll be live until Friday night at the prices that are shown. And then Saturday they come down and they go off into other sections, items that have not sold. So what I want to do is give you a little sneaky peek of some of the items that are going to be available tomorrow. And I also want to let you know, if you're concerned about going on Etsy, if you're like, I don't have a profile, I don't know how to do this, it's very simple. You just follow the link below to my shop. You put the items in your cart. You click that you want to check out as a guest. You don't have to sign up for anything. You can use your PayPal still to check out, and you're done. And you have your shipping total and everything, and you know you've got your items. It's really easy. I actually have another link to a tutorial I did on how to use the Etsy in the description, but you guys want to see what the goodies are. So let's just get to that. Okay, so one of the items available is going to be this adorable purse for spring. It is about 11 inches tall by probably 14 inches across, and it's one of those plastics that the person has woven. Now it is initialed on the back. It has a clean satin interior, and there is just some fuzzing to the handles from use, but I thought that this would be a beautiful spring piece, a great tote for the springtime and summer. So that will be available in the drop sale tomorrow. Also available for those of you who love smalls, I do have some tiny critters. This is a super cute mini pig. You're gonna hear Holly in the background because she's throwing fits this morning, so I apologize. She's 2.5 inches tall by 1.25 inches. Now there's heavy crazing on her. Let's see if we can get you to focus. There is some crazing, there is some age. It is a little Japan piece, just super cute for anyone who likes pigs. She doesn't have much paint loss, just crazing. And you'll be able to see even better photos on my, there we go. You can see some of the crazing there. It's not wanting to focus because of the lights. There we go. There we go. So that little cutie will be available. And then this one I just love. This is another Japan piece. And I've seen red cold painted, but this little tiny Dachshund has blue cold paint. Now there is a lot of blue paint loss. You can see on the leg. That's why I wanted to show this one so you could see in detail some of the paint loss, but I could not leave him behind. Look how cute he is. Again, he's a little one. He's 2 inches across by 2.5 inches tall. Real cute for your curio shelf though. So that's just another little itty bitty that's going to be in the drop sale tomorrow on my Etsy. And then some fun kitchen items. So this is plastic, and it's like a laser cut plastic. There is a little staining from glue over the years where the top's been put on, but it is a hors d'oeuvre set. It's got all the little like laser cut forks with the little rose motif. There you go. And I have washed them all. There are 1 or 2 that have a little bit of age staining on them, but it is a full set. And the bottom is marked made in Hong Kong. But just something different. How cute with the summertime coming for picnics outside. Although you don't want your guests to throw them away. But I tried to start thinking of items people might want as like the sun comes out up north and the snow melts and spring's coming and we have picnics and outdoor eating again and all that good stuff. I thought this would be cute for the spring. And then also thinking of spring and summer coming, I have a cute little kitty planter. Now this might be American bisque, American pottery. I am not sure. It is a smaller one. There is some dirt on the interior I could not get out. I didn't want to scrub too hard, but just a little kitten hug in a basket. It is 4.5 inches across by 2.5 inches tall. Sorry, I had to go. Holly locked herself in. I had to let her out. Okay. So there is no, let me just, before I say it, because we know what happens, we say it. There are no major chips or cracks or anything like that, or any little chips or cracks, just a cute little kitty piece. So that so far is 1, 2, 3, 5 items. I have another 5 to show you, and then the last 10 are going to be a mystery, and you have to wait till tomorrow when the sale pops to find out what they are. So this next piece, I think when I measured it was probably like a 3 foot by 3 foot. But there are some condition issues. I had bought this from Vintage Uprising, Texas, and it is this beautiful flower lap blanket. And I don't know if it's a wool, but there are 5 holes in it. So it's areas where you can see, here, you can see where it's starting to pull away a little bit, the patch. So there's 2 there. And now I can't find the other ones. I know there was one along the bottom. Oh, there's one over here. You can see it needs some rework. But I thought with St. Patrick's Day coming in the spring, if someone knows about knitting or crocheting, you might be able to fix those pieces. But overall, it's still a lovely piece. I had an idea to use it on my couch, but my couch is just so big and the cats, I didn't want it to get destroyed. So I am now taking this from my personal collection and offering it up for you guys. And again, there are some condition issues. You can see the little hole starting here and here. It's a very soft fabric. It's like stiff and thick. It might be a soft wool, which I know is kind of a contradiction, but the flowers are 3D. Really a super cute piece. So that'll be available for your spring and St. Patrick's Day needs. And then the last few items I'm going to show you, of course, is jewelry. You have to have brooches in the sale. So for my cat lovers, this is a very cool mid-century enamel over metal piece. So this is like a thick orange enamel. There is, let's see, there is some crazing, but it's not a break or anything. It's just crazing. And there is the back. And it's about 2.5 inches tall by 1.5 inches across. So that piece will be available tomorrow in the drop sale. And then I have all of these are each going to be available as separate items in the drop sale. So we have this little one with the triple faux pearls, gold filigree. And I know my nails aren't done for this video, but I'm going to be crafting this afternoon. So I'm going to be covered in paint. And you don't want to waste a good nail job when you're going to be painting. So I have this little guy. Then this one's much more ornate. And it's got kind of like I think this one might be a little older by the clasp. So you've got the pearl and you've got the rhinestone. And the kind of gold. And then the back isn't a C-clasp, it's just a loop. I'm not doing a very good job. It's like just a hook that like goes under like that. So that is the second one. And the third one is my favorite. This has the typical C-clasp. It's this gold, like almost Hawaiian flowers and pearl brooch. So that is your sneak peek, guys. I hope you will head on over to my Etsy shop tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Eastern time and be sure to take a peek in the drop sale section. If you go there now, you won't see it. When you go to the Etsy page on the left-hand side is all my sections, and if you go now, you won't see it. That section does not pop up at the top. It'll say all, and then it'll say drop sale, and that does not appear until I make the items live, and that will not happen until 8 a.m. tomorrow. And don't forget, if you purchase from me, you get a chance you will get one of my handmade artist trading cards that I make and I sign the back of. So thanks for hanging out, guys. I hope you'll shop my sale tomorrow, and I hope you're all having a good winter, getting there towards spring. Stay tuned. I'll be back with you all very soon.